Samsung users often enter recovery mode to update the system, backup data, reset the phone, or fix errors. But sometimes the device gets stuck and won't exit recovery mode. In this video, we'll show you two simple methods to fix a Samsung phone stuck in recovery mode. 5. Tested ways to exit recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy. Method 2 is the best. Method 1. Common way to take Samsung out of recovery mode. Step 1. Just directly use the volume down button to select the wipe data or factory reset option from the list and then press the power key to confirm that. Step 2. Use the volume button to select delete all user data, then press power to confirm. Step 3. Choose reboot system now to restart and exit recovery mode. Method 2. Exit recovery mode on Samsung via expert software. Higher success rate. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Samsung phone via USB, launch the program, and select broken Android phone data extraction. Step 3. Next, select Fix Device, and you will be asked to choose the phone problem to fix. Here, you can select the option stuck in the download mode, and click on Next to enter the download mode. Step 4. At last, just tap on Start to begin the process. When the fixing is completed, your Samsung will be returned to normal status. Method 3. Turn off recovery mode by force restarting Samsung with buttons. Keep the phone in recovery mode. Press and hold power plus volume down together for 10-20 seconds. Ignore flickers or vibrations. Release when the Samsung logo appears and wait for reboot. Method 4. Exit Samsung recovery mode by charging the phone before restarting. Plug your Samsung into a charger and charge for 15-30 minutes. Use volume keys to select reboot system now. Press power or power plus volume down 10-20 sec to restart. Method 5. Get out of recovery mode on Samsung by wiping cache partition. In recovery mode, use volume keys to select wipe cache partition and press power. Highlight yes and confirm. After cache wipe complete, select reboot system now and press power.